Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning back in. Alessandro the Crypto here. I hope you're doing all fine. We have day 23 of self-isolation, and before we start with today's TA, I just want to remind you that when you want to trade these swings with these up and downs, you must have an account over on Bybit or Femex. This is the main exchanges that we are using right now, especially Bybit. So with small amount and leverage, you can do some very nice gains. That's why before you start watching or trading, make sure that you have a Bybit or Femex account, because here is where you can get the most out of these swings when we're going up and when we're going down. To buy or sell into fiat, this is what we're doing once the price reach a level that we want to take out some profits and convert it back into fiat, when we think that we can buy back in cheaper later bitcoins or other alts. But when we are going up and down here and you want to keep your cryptos, you must trade over here on Bybit or Femex with the leverage, because here is where you can get the most out of it. And down below here in my video description, you find all the links to get some sign-up bonus as well when you want to open a Bybit or Femex account. And right now I found out a new exchange which is called Bityard. And the funny thing about this exchange, it's a very new one, is that they don't offer only welcome bonus over $200, so you can claim here over 200 USDT completely for free. What you have to do, you can read it down here, but all in all it's over $200. And the thing is that also they are offering this daily mining. So if you open and watch every day into the exchange, you can claim these free cryptos here. So you're not like really mining with your hardware at home, but every day you can just open up this site and you can claim these free cryptos that they're giving to you. So you just have to click all of them here to collect them, and then down below here you can convert them back into USDT, and with this you can trade or convert it back into Bitcoin, for example. This is how the exchange is looking like. So you can convert it in all these alts or Bitcoin and then trade here. And the thing is that on this exchange is very high risk. You can trade only starting from 20x up to 100x, but with every coin. So even in altcoins you can trade up to 100x. So this exchange is very risky, is very volatile, because with 20x also your liquidation price is very close to the market price. So that means only if you really want to go with high leverage or really go risky trades in, then I recommend you to use this Bityard exchange, because here you really can go even 100x with even XRP, Tron, Litecoin and so on. And also you can use these promotions that they are giving to you right now, because they are very new. So only here in these early stages they're giving to you all these bonuses here, and more are coming soon as well. And even this daily mining thing, it's quite a nice option that they have right now. So you can really go every day in and claim this free money and convert it into dollar every day and start to trade with that. Of course, the wins that you're doing, you can withdraw then, but with these promotions you can really start to trade even here with 20x completely riskless. And this is also what you get over on Femex or Bybit. You can get some sign-up bonus, and sometimes they do some special promotions. But this one here on Bityard right now is a very new one, and so far they have the biggest bonuses. So I would give it a try. You find the invitation link also down below the Femex link, so go ahead and check it out with my link. And this exchange is like the others, also from Asia. So this one is based in Singapore, and you can read everything about the exchange also here in the website. So with that said, we can start with today's TA. Here, as you can see, we had yesterday this little drop down to the 20 moving average in the 4 hour. This is where we went long. If you are a member of my Discord trading chat, you find the link also down below. Here is completely for free and everyone is welcome. Then you would have known that we were longing from this price point down here to $6,800. So the price went up and currently we're fighting again with this main resistance. I still think that we could be in here for a rising wedge, so we are waiting for a breakout to the downside. So in case that you took that long, make sure always to put a stop loss, because if this pattern is gonna play out to the downside, then you're out of your trade, and then you can look for a new trade, especially if you break here 6,800, then I would look for a short position. In case that we are breaking out here to the upside, it is possible that we still can break to the upside, but since also the market right now is struggling a bit again, so the stocks are going down a bit, even the S&P looks like it can go down again, but we have to wait till it will open again. I think there is a high chance that Bitcoin still could break out here to the upside. We are seeing also some of the altcoins performing quite nice today, especially Ethereum, BSV, XRP and so on. So I think there is also a high chance that we can break it to the upside. Maybe if you're already long, just put a stop loss or wait here till we have a decisive try here to break the resistance. In case that we're breaking out, then of course we have to see how is the performance, because I think we're first gonna struggle somewhere at around 8k to 9k before a potential little pullback or something. But the important thing is that we have to see if we can break here the main resistance of 10,500 in case of a big breakout to the upside, because in case that we cannot break it, this could be a setup for a double top formation, which is a very bearish pattern for the long term. So here in the 4 hour you can see that since this drop yesterday we had the stochastic from overbought back into neutral area. Also RSI right now cooled off a little bit, so here we're still bullish. Even here in the 1 hour you can see that the RSI is now trading above the 50, so everything looks good. Also here in the 1 hour stochastic is in neutral territory. Bollinger Band in the 1 hour is trading in the middle area. The 4 hour also is trading around the middle area here. MACD is moving sideways right now, so we have to see if we can keep up here with this 20 moving average. Hopefully it will hold again, in case that we're gonna test it again, because right now it's lining up perfectly with the fib line at 7,160. And if we go over to the daily time frame, you can see that we got rejected here at the 50 daily moving average. This is what I was expecting to have first signs of rejection here at this moving average. And in case that we can break it, the next one would be up here at the 200 daily moving average at 8,100. And I still think it is very likely that we could go that high, especially if today the US market is gonna open in green. We have the RSI above the 50, which is a very good sign, and stochastic is still in overbought territory. So here we still didn't manage to cool off a little bit the stochastic. This is what is concerning me a bit. So here also we could see a possible rejection area down here to the 20 daily moving average at around 6,800. That's why I'm telling you it is possible that we go down again to test these levels before a potential breakout to the upside. But in case that we're gonna lose here this green line, then I think things will look more bearish than bullish, even if we would have another bounce back up. So all in all, we are coming to the end of this wedge, and we should see here a breakout pretty soon, guys. So make sure that you're ready to trade that over on Bybit, Femex, or now also Bityard. So let me know also down below here in the comment section, what exchange are you using and why are you using this exchange? I personally use more the Bybit exchange. I'm just more used to that, so this is why I'm still trading over here. But I also have a Femex and now also a Bityard account also to get this free money to trade with. So with that said, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for now. If you like the content, you know what to do. Make also sure to subscribe to the channel, because we do daily TA videos, and also you can participate to my $10 Bitcoin giveaway that I do with every 100 subscribers. So thank you very much for watching, and we see us all in the next one. Bye.